For the last topic of the model, we have writing an equation of a circle given the endpoints of a diameter. For this exercise, we are given 2 points, in this case 6,2 and minus 1,2. And I have them here in Desmos so that you can see them. I have one in blue and another, the second one in red. And we want to find the equation of a circle that happens to go through these points. But how are we going to do that? First of all, we need to find what is the point of the center. Then we need to find the value of the radius from the center to any point in the circumference. First thing that I'm going to focus on is finding what is the center. The center is this point. I know it beforehand so that I can write it on Desmos, but we will see how to find the value. If you pay close attention, this point in black is right in the middle between the blue and the red points. So the center of the circle is going to be given by the midpoint between these 2 points on the circumference. So if I want to find the coordinates of that point, I'm going to go and find the midpoint. How do I find the midpoint? Well, from also trigonometrics, we have these two formulas. This is pretty straightforward. If we want to find what is the midpoint between 2 points, we just simply have to take x of the first one, add it up to the x of the second one, and divide it by 2. Similarly, for the y-coordinate, I'm going to take the y-coordinate of the first point, I'm going to add it up to the coordinate of the second one, and I'm going to divide it by 2. That's what I'm going to do in this exercise to find the coordinates of x and y of the midpoint. So x of the midpoint is 6 plus minus 1. And if you're wondering, I'm taking these 2 points that I have in the problem. That's where I'm taking that from. And that is 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay, and what is y of the midpoint? That is going to be given by 2 minus 2 over 2 plus. That is going to be 4 over 2 equals 2. That's the coordinate of the center of my circumference. Now, if you remember the standard form of the equation of a circle, we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Now that I know that h and k are the coordinates of the center of my circle, and I just found them here, I can replace that into my equation. That is going to be x minus 5 over 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared. But I am still missing the radius. I need to know what is the value of the radius. How will I find that? I have 2 possibilities here. I can either find the distance between the blue and the red points and then divide it by 2, or I can take the distance from the black point to the red one, and that is the radius. I'm gonna go and find the distance between the blue and the red point, just for the sake of easiness, alright? I have, from the previous exercise, we know that the distance between 2 points, let's say the distance between A and B, is going to be given by the square root of x of A minus x of B, the square, plus y of A minus y of B. And this, remember, comes from the Pythagoras theorem. All right, that's what I wanna do. Wanna do here, and I'm gonna take the blue point as a. So I have minus 1 comma 2 as a, and I wanna take as b the number, the point in red. That is 6 comma 2. Now let us find the distance. So here I take distance is the square root of x in a, which is minus 1, minus x in b, which is 6, all of that is squared, plus y in a, which is 2, minus y in b, which is 2 again, all of that square. Now the distance is square root of minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7 squared. 2 minus 2 is 0, so I know that this number is 0. The distance is 7 squared is 49, and this is 7. That is the distance.